First, logging into MCS as Jeff, the service developer, I'll navigate to MCS. And on the package import page, we can upload the HR API through the usual wizard steps. Once uploaded, we can navigate to the API page. Then its test page to see that the Human Resources API that our app is built on provides employee get, post, patch and delete endpoints for our app to derive and update the employee information from. Typically, Jeff would build this app, but for the purposes of keeping this video brief, we've relied on the package import to quickly provision this. From here, I'll log out as Jeff the service developer and then log in as Bob the business developer who's going to build our Max app. To bring readers who missed the last article up to speed, I'll quickly rebuild our app. So I'll first create a new app called Neo HR, of which it has an opening page that is blank. In the Math Preview Editor, on this first page, I'll drop a list view from the Property palette. And then in the Properties Inspector, change the layout of this list view. Next, in the Data tab, I'll select the Employee's Business Object exposed from our imported API. And use its fields to populate the list view with their photo and their name. Returning to the Preview Editor, we can now see the sample data for one of our employees in our list view. From here, I'll create a detail page such that when the user selects an employee, we navigate to a page with more detail on that specific employee. In the detail page, I'll make this a two-tab page. Tabs will show the details about the selected employee and their location. In the first tab, I'll drop a form to show the selected employee's first name and last name, mobile, email address, and finally their photo. Now, admittedly, the photo is a bit small, so we'll take care of that in the following video in this article. With the app completed to the level of functionality from the previous article, I'll now export the app. For this article, this is what has been provided to you to download and re-import so you can then continually follow the steps in the article thereafter. In order to import this artifact, you need to return to the Max homepage and click Import. Note, you must have already imported the API that the Max application is actually dependent on, otherwise the Max import function will complain. Once you complete the import, the app I've made available to you as a zip will appear here for you to open.